Okay. Another request here by Big Owen and Harry, young Harry, wants to hear Behind Blue Eyes by The Who. In Harry's case, it was the Linkin Park edition, I believe. Both very good editions, or maybe Limp Bizkit, one of the two. I'm not quite sure. Was the Park, was the Biscuit, but here we go. Pretty basic chords for such a fantastic song. E, G, and D with a C, an A major. No one knows what it's like to be the bad man. Hold on to that D. Hit him with a C. To be the sad man. A major behind blue eyes. E minor and G and a D and a C. And the only lies. That A is so sweet. You wouldn't have guessed it was A. Let's see if we can remember the next part. It's a C, D, and back to G, and a C, and D, and E major. Who'd have thunk that? That E major, just so sweet. You would have thought minor. Song started on the minor. One more time. It's a C, and a D, and back to G. And a C and D and E major, make it nice, so good. I Have Hours, I believe, is going to be B minor. Only Lonely is a C. Good is Vengeance is D. That's Never Free. Finish on the A major. No one knows what it's like to feel these feelings like I do. I blame you. No one bats back as hard in their anger. See, none of my pain can show through, but my dreams, they are as empty. C, D, G, and a C, and D, and E major. It's a B, any kind of B, B minor would be sweet there, and a C.